Auto Beats 314.
Great, man. I'm here in my little basement lab here, man. Finna give y'all a quick update on my wiring issue, show y'all what was going on, why I couldn't get it to open and close, all that good stuff. We finna get it together right now, so give me a second, man. Finna tap into this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, let all you folks know I figured this shit out. Fuck with your boy. Alright, YouTube. So we here with the Cadillac Sunroof out of 2011, I think CTS. I was having a wire issue. If y'all noticed from my first video, y'all been following, paying attention, I only had one switch. Figured out that was my problem. Went back, got that one switch that I was missing. And if you getting it out the Cadillac, man, keep in mind, y'all need both of these switches. I can't stress that enough. The roof won't work unless you got both of them switches, man. Y'all see, one is for the roof, one is for the sunscreen. So what I did was, on my configuration, all of it is plug and play. Plug it up there. You got your green wire, power wire. You're gonna have your two grounds, ground on each switch, and then the ground coming off of your main. Everything else is color coded. You can't miss it. You can't mess it up. You ain't got to do nothing but orange to orange, gray to gray, blue to blue, purple to purple, brown to brown. I think that's it. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it. So let me get into this, man. What we got here is, if y'all notice, down in there, got it all functional. Uh-oh. Makes sense if I power up this deal. Bing. There we go. Alright, YouTube. So, sunscreen. Appears to be working. Got him all the way in there. That's one push of the button. It's automatic. You can stop it if you want to. You know what I'm saying? But one push is automatic. And then, and I might have this upside down, but one click is gonna drop down, drop all the way back. There you have it. Hit that again, you're gonna drop it all the way back. One click on the close. Bam. One click on the up. Okay, so it's one click action. You can stop it where you want. I don't think, I'm gonna see though, it might close up. Nope. The sunscreen only goes so far with the hood open. So you can actually cover the back side of it. I don't know if that shows too good, but yeah, that sunscreen will cover up the back side of that glass there. But yeah, YouTube, that's it, man. That's the update. I got it all together, figured out I needed both of them switches. That's what I needed, both of them switches. That's what got me in the game there. So once again, man, like, subscribe, share, man. If y'all been waiting on the update, there it is. Like I say, showed y'all the wire configuration. It's not too hard. Y'all can snatch these roofs off by yourself. I did it myself, you know what I'm saying? I plan on installing it myself, but I might get some help from somebody else, never know. Only time to tell, man, so y'all stay tuned. And jam with your boy, man. Box Chevy. Giving y'all basically my my troubleshooter. You know what I'm saying? I troubleshooted my problem and got it together. Lene she on vacation right now because I'm trying to take vacation, but we're gonna get it together, man. We ain't slowed down. I got a few guys here in the city, man. I'm gonna say shout out to MB Customs. I got a link with him. He gonna build me a box. We gonna beat Lene out, y'all. We gonna have a man slapping. Shit, man. Everything is construction right now. I'm finna get my router so I can start doing my door panels and my deck lid. I'm almost done fiberglass in my dash. The next thing gonna be to hit up Sandman so I can get on them, you already know, man. It's gotta look good on the Chevy. Lene gotta, I'ma drop it down, and yeah. I ain't playing, man. It's all pressure. It's all pressure coming, man. So, hope y'all staying safe, man. Staying away from that Rona. And on Granny, man, that's what we doing. We out here. It's the Box Chevy movement. Shout out to all my guys on the Box Chevy movement on Facebook, man. Any Box Chevy group movement, worldwide, nationwide, whoever doing this Box Chevy shit, man. I fuck with my G-bodies too, y'all. Know I got Frankenstein outside. I'm just waiting to put everything together. Taking my time with it most off, you know what I'm saying? I ain't rushing nothing and nobody because I'm doing this for me. I ain't doing this to impress nobody. I can give a fuck what anybody think, how they feel about it, any of that, you know, excuse my language, my content, but I mean, I'm doing this for my satisfaction, because you know what I'm saying, like I want to go outside and look at me, you know what I'm saying, a diamond, you know what I mean? So from sugar to shit, or I mean, not sugar to shit, excuse me, from shit to sugar, we gonna flip Lene, man, and we're gonna have it looking good, man, and hopefully, man, y'all see me on the scene on some of these car shows and some of the meets and all that good shit. I can't stress enough, man. Shout out to everybody that make this YouTube content. You got who is that? 78 Chevy boy. I might be saying y'all names wrong, but I know Sprayway. Shit, man, it's too many of y'all. Like I said, I'm type of fucker. I had to write it down. I literally have to write my name down so I can get everybody in. So I ain't, you know. I smoke a lot, so I be gone, man. I be, you know, be up there. But man, I'm looking forward to meeting up with some of y'all guys, man. Appreciate the likes, the shares, the comments, man. Everything. Let's keep this movement going. I know it's been a minute, but I'm finna get back at it, man. The weather's starting to change up. I've been putting investments in other places other than cars. You know what I'm saying? It's like 2022, so you got to secure your bag if you ain't already got it secure. So shit, we could talk about this car shit all day, but do you got somewhere to stay? You know what I'm talking about? So if you ain't solidifying a crib, what good is putting together a $50,000-$60,000 car and you got to park it on the street? Not knocking nobody that's doing that, but it ain't what you do, it's how you do it. You know what I'm saying? And me, I'm in a hating ass city and I gotta get away from this city, or not even away from the city. I just gotta be in a secure location before I do what I do. But everything take its time. So anywho, man, I ain't gonna keep rambling. Y'all like, share, subscribe, comment. If I helped y'all out, man, appreciate that, man. Faces up. Peace and love to everybody in 2022, man. Let's make this a prosperous year, man. And I will be uploading more videos, y'all. That's my fault. I had a raggedy ass iPhone 6. Took me forever to get a new one because I ain't want to drop that bag on a new phone. But I got that deal now. I should have been doing it on my computer. I like to ramble a lot, man. But I mean, I wish y'all the best, man. Peace and love. And y'all will see TB the Great out here in Lene shortly. I don't give a damn if I got to drive that broad around, prime down, slapping with my Sandman SD Forge. That way, you hear me? We finna turn up on them, you hear me? I feel good, man. I'm gonna continue to do it, man. I'm gonna spread my love, and I'm gonna keep turning the fuck up for y'all, man. So, like I say, man, y'all gonna see that pressure, man. Y'all gonna see that pressure. So, just keep tuned in, keep locked in, keep rocking with your boy, man. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Box Chevy motherfucking movement. Trill Life, St. Louis coming soon, man. I'm trying to branch out. I'm trying to rent, man. Listen. from St. Louis to Texas to New York to Cali to Memphis to motherfucking Georgia to wherever, man. All y'all turn the fuck up, man. Support this shit, man, like I support y'all, man. Peace and love. God is love. God is real. And stay the fuck sucker free, man. I love y'all. Deuces, man.